Another fiery words of war of words is in fact underway. Viewers, Bengal leader of opposition Suvendu Adhikari claimed that his convoy was attacked while he was about to attend Kali Puja festivities at South 24 Parganas. Now, the Adhikari has alleged that illegal Bangladeshi Muslims attacked his convoy with the help of TMC Zilla Parishad member Rekha Ghazi. Now, while Adhikari was addressing a public rally in Patthar Pratima, he stated if that they were in his hands, he would have implemented a president's rule within an hour in West Bengal. And he also said that nothing would in fact come in the way of him performing his Hindu rituals, claiming he would be back during Jagdatri Puja and well, no matter what the pushback was. The TMC, meanwhile, has refuted all the allegations, calling them baseless, adding that the opposition leaders were free to move around the state. They also denied any role in the attack, saying that the people of Bengal were upset with BJP's politics and were especially upset with Adhikari. Why? Because of his statements which called on the centre to in fact stop funding for Bengal. We get the war of words for you.
शुभेंदु अधिकारी का जो एलिगेशन वो बेसिकली बेसलेस है। हम लोग तृणमूल कांग्रेस, यहाँ पर डेमोक्रेसी है, ऑपोजिशन जहां चाहे वो जा सकता है, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये है कि भाजपा का जो पॉलिसी है एंड पॉलिटिक्स है उसके ऊपर बंगाल का जनता नाराज है। ये जब वो लोग बोले थे हम दिल्ली को बल दिया, बंगाल को रुपया नहीं देना चाहिए, उस वक्त उसको ये मालूम होना चाहिए था ये जनता के ऊपर इसका इम्पैक्ट क्या होगा, क्या नेगेटिव असर होगा। तो वो लोग तो तब ये नहीं सोचा। अभी जब जनता उससे रुके हुए है, अब जब बता रहा है तो वो तृणमूल का ऊपर वो एलिगेशंस फेंक रहे हैं।
हमारे हिंदू धर्म पालनेर क्षेत्रे यदि बाधा देওয়া হয় আমার মতো লোককে, তাহলে আপনারা হিন্দুরা এখানে কিভাবে আছেন সহজেই অনুমেয় বলুন। জনগণ আওয়াজ তুলুন। আমার হাতে তো ওটা নেই, আমার হাতে থাকলে ওটা 1 ঘন্টা লাগাতো।